YouTube.
Oh, hey, it's nice to see you, Lowdown. You're looking real nice today.
Appreciate
You came by
that.
yourself?
No, came with the family.
You came with the family. Hi there, family.
Hi!
You guys practice that?
No.
That's very much in unison.
We're-
You here to see the new shows?
Yes, they were fantastic, I tell you.
Yeah. You ready to see the one with, like, what is it, like the fancy fish?
No, we didn't see that one though.
What is it? They're like mermaids or something, but they're scary.
Oh, the sirens.
Yeah. Well, that one.
Oh yeah, that one
Yeah,
was
we
cool.
saw some of that one.
That one was cool.
It was cool.
Yeah.
We just came
There's a
from
bunch
the
of
one.
fish flopping
Which
around.
was the one we came from?
Monster Stop.
Monster stuff.
That's the best one.
That was awesome.
Jack is crazy. Jack is the ripper.
Yeah.
God, these people are screaming so crazy.
Well, you have a good evening.
You know what? You have a good evening too. I'm gonna miss you.
Thank you.
Marilyn Benson's backup singer. Okay, how are we doing? My name is James Avery. I'm doing a piece here with CNN.
Marilyn Manson bad.
What?
Marilyn Manson bad.
Okay, yeah, he's a Rob Zombie fan.
Oh, sorry.
Anyway, so
Living dead guy.
Living Dead Girl, yeah, that's right. So we're gonna go live here in a few seconds. So freak out, don't scream too loud. Okay. All right, 3, 2. Hi, my name is James Avery, doing a piece here with CNN, and you are.
Bill.
Bill? Yes. Nice to meet you. Now, okay, I have a question. Is this your first time here?
Yes.
First time? Okay. And what do you think of the place so far?
It's good. I like it.
Good? Okay. What's your opinion on just zombies and
Oh, I love zombies.
How so?
Yeah,
Okay. It sounded like you said something.
Oh.
You're a fan of zombies.
Yeah.
So, that kind of threw me for a loop there. Now, you're a fan of zombies.
Yeah.
I think you might be a fan of these zombies, but I don't think you're a fan of them.
Yeah.
Hi.
You got you, Cameron. You got you.
Savvy wife.
So, how old are you? 14. Okay, so these zombies, they're not really into beetle, you know, like they like a more aged brain. But the ones over in Zombie Horde over there will just take whatever they can get. So if you ever feel like being dinner, that's the place to go. Okay. Oh, don't worry, he doesn't bite. See. And if you're worried, I'm not a zombie. Okay, for those who know, I'm not a zombie. I just partake. Okay. I love it. Hey, bud.